Mid-engine squad. It's your boy Fear Boy. This is coming back with a brand new video. So I know in this video, I know y'all probably been wondering what happened to your boy Fear Boy 86. I know y'all been wondering on what's been going down. So I'm about to give y'all the rundown. I'm about to give y'all the tea. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that bell. Go ahead and drop a big fat like up on this video, because y'all already know, man, your boy ain't go nowhere. So I don't want y'all to think I went anywhere, because I did not go anywhere. I want y'all to stop thinking that I didn't just ran up off this video. I hadn't. I'm still here. So right now, I'm actually here with my wife. We're actually cleaning up the old apartment, which I'm going to end up giving y'all a tour of us just cleaning up and stuff like that. Very emotional video, because I've been living in this apartment well over 13 years. So with that right there being said, I know y'all probably been wondering on what's been going down with me and stuff, and been trying to figure out, you know, what happened to Fierro Boy. Well, I'm here. I'm right here. And so, just the main thing, we just been cleaning up, stuff like that. Yeah, so long story short, so I've been living in this apartment so long that both of my parents got up out of here in this apartment. So, you know, and y'all know what I mean when I say that, you know, so, definitely. So let me turn this camera around and let you see my wife. All right, honey, go ahead. What's going on? What's going on?
Yes. Why did you got your camera on?
Yeah, come on. Go ahead.
Yes. So, I'm gonna miss this place because it was like a lot of good memories in here. I remember Josh's mom used to like always come and like, invite me over to like eat and stuff like that. And I remember like the first time I came up over here, I was like, "You got the red, blue, and white apartments, right?" And Josh was like, "No, you gotta walk down some." And I was like, "Oh, okay." So when I walked, he met me. So I still, like, remember like my first time like coming over here, and yeah. So I'm just like miss this place.
Yeah. So we definitely both going to end up missing this place. Because I tell you, this right here was a good place for a while.
Our whole relationship.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so if y'all not following me up on, please like, comment, subscribe, and share up on this video. Please do not forget that, because I'm going to remind you at the end of this video. So please do not forget that. All right, y'all. So, yeah, and so it just been like a lot going on. Soon enough, I will be doing an up-to-date tour on my new house that we just got on the new place. So definitely just stay tuned to my channel. Like I said before, I have not went nowhere. So I don't want y'all to think I done just ran off. I ain't go nowhere. I'm here. You know what I'm saying? The reason why I'm here, if you actually check my credentials in my YouTube community, you'll see why I'm a Fierro guy. You'll see for the second time in a row. You know what I'm saying? Your boy's a champ. Y'all already know what it is. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and stop talking y'all heads off. Let me go ahead and give y'all a little tour about what's going on with the old apartment. And so just kind of give y'all a little small tour. And then, like I said before, new tour is coming soon. So definitely just stay tuned to my Instagram, my YouTube. Like I said, I have not went nowhere. So stop thinking I done ran off, because I have not ran off, and I'm never going to run off. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and flip this camera for this tour. Let's check it out. Yeah, y'all. So as you can see, yeah, so this right here is the whole living room. Right now, we're just cleaning up the living room right now and everything. Let me green so y'all can see. Yeah, so y'all can tell. So this right here is the living room. You know, got the dining room right here. We're still cleaning up in here. Probably just come back tomorrow, just do some finishing touches. Yeah, kitchen, cleaning up the kitchen right now, y'all, and everything. To let y'all know that there ain't nothing in these cabinets. Y'all already know, man. For real. Y'all already know. Hey, old school microwave. Whoever remember these, you know what I'm saying? Used to have to build in stuff. You know, and everything. You still just cleaning up stuff right now, you know, and everything. Of course. Who in here hiding up in here? Oh, yeah. It's the hot water heater, y'all. Most definitely, y'all. So, definitely, yeah. And everything. And so, we got the bathroom right here, all cleaned up. Who is that guy? Oh, that's Fierro guy. What's up? No, just so yeah, and everything, and just cleaning up everything and stuff. And so right now, I just got done cleaning up the room. Me and my wife both did. Still like a little bit to do. All my clothes and stuff right there in the bags. Got all my shoes right here. And of course, if y'all don't know, I am a feeler head all day. You know what I'm saying? As y'all could tell. Feeler. And one pair of Jordans. Y'all already know what it is, man. So most definitely, you know, and everything. This right here is another trash man right here. Just cleaned up. Look, hey, who's that guy, y'all? Y'all already know who that is. Y'all already know who that is. So don't play games. If you don't know, there's something wrong with you. That right there is the best man alive. That is the GOAT right there with Michael Jordan and also LeBron James. That is the GOAT right there. So don't play games. You know what I'm saying? LeBron James and Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant, all three are the GOATs. So don't play no games. Hey, man, ain't nobody gonna never be able to take these boys' statue. You feel me? Yeah, so and everything, and of course, y'all already know. Your boys are what? Cowboy fan. They ain't gonna never change, you know what I'm saying? So, long story short, I remember when my uncle had gave me those speakers right there. And that right there was a while ago. And so, my whole plan is to put those in my Fierro eventually, behind the seat. So, definitely just stay tuned for that. If it does decide to happen, you know, and everything. And like I said before, just want to give y'all a little bit of tour of the house. Just give y'all a little bit of tour of the house and everything. Show y'all that your boy has not went nowhere. It's just been like a lot going on. Like I said, I'm just very sad to actually leave this place, y'all. And it's on to the next one. So just stay tuned to my channel. It's your boy Fierro Boy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please. Follow me on my brand new Instagram page at 214 Fierro, guys. Please follow me on my IG page. Please do so, because I tell y'all, man, I be posting up a lot up on there. And definitely, like I said, I have not went nowhere yet. You know, I'm still here. I'm not gonna go nowhere. You know, I'm still gonna be up on YouTube. Like I said before, just been out here just cleaning up and stuff like that, you know, in the old house and everything. But the new house is coming soon, so just stay tuned, and I will be getting that for y'all. Well, it's your boy Fierro Boy 86. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Like I said before, your boy ain't go nowhere. I'm still here. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely, man. And definitely, and I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next one.